Hello learners, welcome back. After successfully purchasing the domain name, now it is time to buy the web hosting for your website. In this video, firstly I will explain that what is the meaning of web hosting. Then I will explain the process of buying the web hosting from various reputed web hosting service providers. Let's begin. So what is web hosting? As you know, you need a space to store your website somewhere on the server, which is called hosting. From where to buy it? Answer is web hosting service providers. Similar to domain name service providers, there are large number of web hosting service providers from where you can buy a space on the server to store your websites. Like we have HostGator, BigRock, GoDaddy, Bluehost and so many other service providers. Let us understand the process of buying it. Go to the site www.hostgator.in or click on the link given in the description. Click on Get Started Now. On this page, the very first thing you have to do is to select the server location. You have to select India, not USA, if you are from India. You will see here that there are 4 different plans like Starter, Hatchling, Baby and Business. Each plan has different features and accordingly the prices have been set. Like under Starter and Hatchling plan, you can host only one domain name, whereas under Baby and Business plan, you can host unlimited domains on a single hosting. At this stage, we are going to host one domain only, so I advise you go for Starter plan. This plan includes single domain, 10 GB disk space, 10 GB transfer, 5 email accounts and free SSL certificate. That is more than sufficient for the purpose of learning. Now you have to select the tenure of your web hosting from this drop-down menu. It's clear that longer duration plans are cost-effective, but as per the course requirements, we need our website active for minimum of 3 months. So go for 3 months plan. Rest it is up to you. If you want to buy it for a longer duration, you can buy it. Let us go for 3 months plan. Next it asks, do you already have a domain for your hosting plan? Yes, we have. We have already purchased it from GoDaddy. Click yes and enter your domain name here. In my case, it was dmmook.in. Now the very important point here. We are not going to buy any additional service at this stage. So uncheck all the options and continue. This is the summary of your order. Make sure everything is as per your selection. If things are okay, then click continue. Now you have to log in to your account and there are multiple options to log in like Google, Facebook, or you can create your own account. As I already have my account with HostGator, I will sign in with my credentials. Here again, you have multiple options for payment and depending upon your convenience, you may select the relevant option and complete the payment process. Congratulations! You have successfully placed the order. Within few seconds, you will receive the confirmation mail from HostGator. Let me check it. Yes, it is here with the subject line completed, addition of single domain Linux hosting for dmmook.in. This mail is very important for future use. So save the copy of it somewhere else also, as we have to refer to this mail again and again. Please do save all passwords of GoDaddy and HostGator at safe place for future reference. So this was the process of buying domain name and hosting. So congratulations, you have successfully completed the process of buying the web hosting. I hope you found this process very simple. But remember one thing, you have purchased the domain name and web hosting from two different service providers. So therefore, let's move to the next challenge.